look down at my phone, and all of a sudden, boom.
I'm gonna just take a look here. I'm going to just like take. Is this comfortable for you?
Yeah, yeah.
You are. Okay.
Yeah, cool. Totally cool.
718 dispatch.
Yeah. No, they're all right.
Why don't you have the captain respond?
I don't feel anything out of the asshole. We're still gonna have our medic come and check you out. All right.
Yeah, yeah.
Disregard that. 718 secure that.
All right.
Good then? Yeah, all set. Yeah.
He's okay. I just checked for anything on his back. I didn't feel anything.
No, that's him.
I'm right here.
You're right here.
I helped. Who hit him?
He hit the trailer.
But this one. That one, and then this.
Alright, you're all done? Alright, go ahead and stand up for me. Then you're going to face my car. Make sure and place your hands behind your back. Place them behind your back. There you go. So at this time, I do believe your normal faculties are impaired, okay? And you're under the unknown substance, okay? So at this time, you're under arrest for DUI. Yes, sir. Okay, do you have anything on you that's going to coax your capacity?
I'll give it to his manager.
Nothing on you I need to know about guns, knife, bomb, drugs, anything that provoke, stick, or stab me?
Nope.
Can you spread your legs for me? Get a bag. Yeah, this bag.
Did you just say no?
Yeah, that's a narco.
Narco?
Yep.
Okay. It says it's narco.
10-325.
I realize if you do have something else, please tell us now.
I have nothing else.
Okay, it's one of the disclaimers we gotta give.